Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So as you guys can see, today we're in my shower. Today we're going to be doing a detangling video. So let's jump straight into the video. So obviously some people like to detangle out of the shower. I like to detangle in the shower. I am here just taking off my hair tie and stuff because I'm gonna rinse off the aloe vera mask that I had on my hair. This is what my hair looks like after sitting with the aloe vera in. If you guys want to know more about the aloe vera video, I'll link it below. So obviously I'm going to rinse out my hair and just rinse out all the stuff that has been put in my hair. So while rinsing this out, I already begin to get rid of the big tangles that are sort of in my hair on the ends, the ones that make it really difficult to even comb your hair. Let's talk about the importance of detangling. Detangling, of course, gets rid of your tangles. If your hair is tangled, it's more prone to breakage, it's more prone to rips, it's more prone to being yanked out, and it's just a lot harder to maintain when it's tangled. Your hair's a lot easier to maintain, it's a lot easier to manipulate when there's less tangles. And it looks a lot nicer too when there's not some little fluffs and tangles and stuff that you can see, because you can actually see it through your hair. So I like to go in obviously after I have done my deep condition with the aloe vera with my shampoo. And I just go through shampooing the roots. I don't really shampoo the ends because obviously that will be shampooed anyway and you don't want to dry your hair out too much. So after shampooing my hair, I just go in and rinse that out and make sure that's thoroughly rinsed before I begin the next process. This is when the real detangling begins. So you start off by putting your conditioner in, and I like to work with a lot of conditioner in my hair so that there's a lot of slip and it's easier for me to actually detangle through my hair. So I like to make sure that my hair is fully coated and it's nice and moisturized before I start going in and finger detangling. I will always finger detangle first until I'm thoroughly satisfied and I can feel that my hair goes through the hair and just glides through the hair effortlessly. As you guys can see, my hands are struggling to get through my hair, which means that I still need to keep going and detangle. When you detangle with your hands, you get to feel things a bit more and you get to stop and you get to direct your attention exactly to the place where you need it to be. When you try and detangle with a comb, you're just going to rip out all the hairs that are connected to that one knot or to that one tangle, and you're going to break your hair and you're going to cause really, really bad split ends. You don't want to have split ends when you have natural hair. It is a nightmare. So you really want to make sure that you thoroughly go through with your hands, just making sure that you detangle, and when you hit any area that's causing you friction, you make sure that you slow down and you really get through that area, making sure that you remove any tangles and any knots. If need be, get your scissors out, get your shears out and cut any areas that are struggling. Then after that, I like to go in with a wide tooth comb. You need to go in with a wide tooth comb first and then decrease the width of your comb as you go. So I like to start off with the wide tooth comb and then go and brush through just to make sure that I got through all of the ends that were giving me friction. If you get to this point and you're having a bit of issue and the comb isn't going through, go back to the first step. So I just like to make sure that I comb through all my hair, making sure that you're being gentle, you're not using too much force, and that the comb is just gliding through your hair. So this is the shed that I got, which is not much at all. It's really good amount. Then I like to go in with my tangle teaser. You can go in with your tangle teaser, or you can go in with your Denman brush, whatever you prefer. This is the last step. I warn you guys, do not try and use this brush or any brush similar to this before you have gone through all the other steps. You'll break your hair and you'll cause a lot more damage than you will helping your hair. You need to do this after you've been through all the steps and you've spent a good amount of time actually detangling your hair with a wide tooth comb and your fingers. As you guys can see, look how nicely the brush just glides through my hair. Now you wouldn't be able to do this if your hair was dry. Obviously you'll cause a lot of damage, so this is pretty much the only time that you'll be able to comb through your hair like this while your hair still has slip from the conditioner and it's been freshly detangled, and it just glides through so effortlessly. I would never try and do this while my hair is dry. And this just sort of gets rid of all the extra hairs and loose hairs that are not attached, that are just sort of hanging around in your hair. So after all that, this is what my hair ends up looking like. And as you can see, there are no knots, no tangles, nothing. My hands just glide through it and it's great. So I hope you guys have liked this video. Make sure to comment down below and leave a like if you liked the video, and I will see you guys next week. Love you guys so much. Mwah.